My dear students, this question is based on logic gates and A and B are inputs, C is output. Just we have to check the option, okay na? Like in first option, A and B are inputs, A and B, if A is 0 and B is 0, this is AND gate, AND gate, output of AND gate is 0 into 0, 0. This is NOT gate, this 0 is input for NOT gate, then output of this NOT gate will be 0 inverse, that means 1. If A and B both are 0, then output should be 1. According to table, if A and B both are 0, then output is 0. That means first option is incorrect. Just we have to check now. In second option, in second case, if input A and B are 0, here 0, B is also 0. OR gate, output of OR gate is A plus B. That means 0 plus 0, 0. This is 0, this will be 0. Output of AND gate, so 0 into 0, 0. If A and B both are 0, then output should be 0. That means this is satisfied. Now check for next. If input A is 0 and output, B is 1. A 0, B 1. A 0, B 1, output of OR gate A plus B, so 0 plus 1, that means 1. And this is 1, then this is 1. Output of AND gate 1 into 1, 1. If A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. According to table, A is 0, B is 1, output is 0. That means this is incorrect. Incorrect. Okay na? A 0, B 1. A 0, B 1, so 0 plus 1, 1. B is 1, 1 into 1, 1. According to table, this should be 0. That means this option is also incorrect. Now let's check option third. A0, B0, first case. Output should be 0. Just we have to check this. If A0, this is NOT gate, output of NOT gate is 0 inverse, that means 1. This is 0, this is 0. Output of AND gate 0 into 0, 0. Now this is OR gate 1, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Output of OR gate is 1 plus 0, 1. This is NOT gate. Output of NOT gate will be 1 inverse, that means 0. According to this, if both inputs A and B are 0, then output should be 0. According to table also, if A and B are 0, then output is 0. This is satisfied. Now check for next. A0, B1. A0, B1. If A is 0, output of NOT gate is 1, 0 inverse. B is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So 1 into 0, output of AND gate, again 0. This is 1, 1 into 0, 1. This is NOT gate, 1 inverse 0. And if A is 0, B is 1, then output is again 0, output is again 0. This is again satisfied. Now check for next. A is 1 and B is 0. B is 0. A1, B0. If B is 0, output of AND gate will be 0. If this is 1, output of NOT gate is 0. So this is 0, this is 0. Output of OR gate will be 0 plus 0, 0. This is NOT gate. Output of NOT gate will be inverse of 0, that means 1. If A is 1, B is 0, output should be 1. A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. This is also satisfied. Now check for next. A and B both are 1. A is 1, B is 1. Then output of AND gate A into B, 1 into 1 yani 1. If A is 1, output of NOT gate 0, this is 0. OR gate, here 0, here 1, so 0 plus 1, 1. This is NOT gate, 1 inverse 0. That means if A and B both are 1, then output of the circuit is 0. According to table also, if A and B both are 1, then outputs will be 0. Output is 0. That means this circuit satisfied the given table, hence final answer is 3. The same way we can check for this option also, and this is incorrect. Okay na? The final answer is 3. Thank you.